Hello, today I will be presenting my lesson plan for first grade and it's titled Hungry Crocodile. My student is
Monica.
Okay, Monica. Can you show me which one is more? Just look at him, you don't have to count them. Can you tell me? This ones? Can you count them, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can you count them for me again, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. What about this ones? Put them on this side.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Can you tell me which ones are more, Monica?
6.
6 is greater than
4.
4. 4 is
Left.
less than
7.
Good job, Monica. Okay, Monica, in math, we don't use, when we're writing number sentences, we don't use words, we use symbols to show what we're doing, okay? For example, you should know this one. What symbol is this? You forgot? Addition or plus sign? Is it a plus sign? Yes. You use it to what?
Attract.
To add. Add. What about this one? Minus. And you use it to subtract. This one is the one you use to subtract. What about this one? This is minus. This ones are two lines. What that means? Equal. Equal sign. That's the equal sign. So when you let's say, Monica, if you have this number and you have this number, do you know what you have to do? How do you know you have to add? How do you know you have to add them? Do you know you have to add? No. But what if I put this on the center? What that means? To add. Can you read it to me? How would you read it? 2 plus 1, and what do we say after? No. Equals. So we say 2 plus 1 equals. It equals 21. Okay. How many we have now? Can you put 2? How many we have this? Plus how many? Now can you count it? Plus 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So you see how we use symbols to read our math sentences? We have the plus sign and we have the equal sign. Good job, Monica. And today we're going to be learning you know the equal sign. So we're going to be learning 2 different symbols. So first, our lesson objective for today, what we will be doing together is making two-digit numbers, okay? And then you will learn how to compare these two numbers and see which one is greater than or less than, or sometimes it happens they are equal. So I'm going to show you a riddle, Monica, about Mr. Gator. And it says, Mr. Gator likes to munch juicy numbers for his lunch. Small numbers make his belly sore. Big numbers make him shout for more. So Mr. Gator likes big numbers or small numbers?
Big number.
Big numbers. He likes greater numbers. So when when the big number is on the left side and the smaller number is on the right side, which one is Mr. Gator gonna eat?
The left.
The left side. So it's gonna be the left side is gonna be greater than the right side. Okay, now if we have the greater number on the right side and the smaller number, let's say we have this greater number over here, and then we have a smaller number over here, which one is Mr. Gator gonna eat?
The greater number.
The greater number. So then that means this, which is what number? 2 is less than how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 is less than 6. Okay? And Mr. Gator will eat the bigger number. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what happens if we have the same number? Let me see. What happens if we have the same number on this side and on this side? Which one is Mr. Gator going to eat?
The both sides?
Both sides? He's going to be facing to the front because they're
equal.
What? They're equal, so he doesn't know what to eat. He's kind of confused and he's looking to the front. So you can see his snout like this to the front. So we have the two lines, right? Okay, Monica? So now we're going to be creating our two numbers. And to create our two numbers, we're going to do this. I'm going to throw the dice, and you're going to help me find out which numbers we're going to write down, okay? What number do we have?
35.
35. So I'm going to write number 35 on this side. Now, what number is this?
80.
80. Which number do you think Mr. Gator is going to eat?
80.
Because 80 is what?
More.
It's more. So we say 80 is greater, right? So which way do you think we're going to use this one? Which is?
The right.
Is going to be eating the right side. Good job. So let's read it. It says 35 is less than 80. So you see how Mr. Gator is facing to the 80? Okay, so this is our less than symbol. Less than symbol. Now let's try another one. What number is that?
30.
30. Which number, let's do it like this. Which number is this?
27.
27. Which one is bigger? Which one is greater?
30.
30. So Mr. Gator is going to eat?
30.
30. So Mr. Gator is going to be facing this way. And we're going to say that 30 is greater than 27. So we can use Mr. Gator, or we can use the symbol that you know is this, right? We'll be eating the bigger number. So we read it again. 30 is greater than 27. Good job, Monica. And let's see what happens if I have this number. Which one is it greater, less than, or equal?
Equal.
They are equal. It's the same number. So we're going to have the equal sign. And we can have Mr. Gator sign, or we can write our own. Because we know we just have to write two lines across, and that's the equal sign. So how are we going to read it? 10 equals 10. Or we can say 10 is equal to 10. Now it's going to be your turn, Monica. You're going to throw the dice, and you're going to do this 3 times, okay? So you're gonna get to work with it for a while. Go ahead and throw the numbers. What number do you have?
93.
Go ahead and write it down. Okay, try again so you can get your other number. So which one are you gonna use, Monica?
This one?
Okay. So can you read it? Can we read it?
93 is greater than 58.
Can you write the greater symbol? Now let's read it with your own symbol.
93 is greater than 58.
Go ahead and do one more.
70.
Go ahead and write it over here more so you can have more space. So, which symbol are you going to use for that one? Can you read your number sentence for me?
70 is greater than 38.
Can you write your own symbol? Now let's read it again.
70 is greater than 38.
Go ahead and try one more time. What number is that?
97. 89.
Can you read your number sentence for me?
97 is greater than 89.
Can you write your own symbol, please? Okay, can you read it now?
97 is greater than 89.
Good job, Monica. Thank you. Now let me do one number. So which one would you use? Okay, can you read it for me?
72 is less
Then,
than 86.
can you write the symbol? Now let's read it with the symbol again.
72 is less than 86.
Thank you, Monica. Now we're going to do another activity. And you'll be able to see and work with Mr. Gator so you can have the practice. What numbers do you have? You have to click on the greater than or equal. Okay. Let's see if it's right. Can you just click it? Okay. Okay. There we go. I'm sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties. I had tried on and it was working. Greater than. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Okay, you don't have to cut it, Vicky.
Is less than 16. Pick the correct symbol to compare the values.
Which one are you doing?
Pick the correct symbol to compare the values. Pick the correct symbol to compare the values.
Okay, good job, Monica. So this is what we're doing now, Monica. Okay, Monica. We're gonna do a quick review of our lesson, of today's lesson, okay? So what did you learn today? We learned to compare what?
Numbers?
Numbers using what? What did we use?
Minus. Less.
Equal.
Equal.
To.
To.
Less. Than. And. Greater than. So when you have two numbers, now you know that one is always greater than the other one, or less than the other one, or equal. Good job. Thank you, Monica. Say bye.
Bye.